When would you use filter instead of forEach? This is a question that trips up many JavaScript developers because they look similar but solve completely different problems. The fundamental difference is what these methods return. Filter returns a brand new array containing elements that pass your test. forEach returns undefined. It doesn't give you anything back. This is the most important distinction to understand. If you need a result, filter is your tool. If you don't need a result, that's when forEach comes into play. Use filter when you need to select or exclude elements based on a condition. For example, getting all active users from a user list or finding products under a certain price. Filter creates a new array with only the items that match your criteria. It's perfect for data transformation where you're narrowing down your dataset. Use forEach when you need side effects. Side effects are operations that interact with the outside world, like logging to the console, updating the DOM, making API calls, or modifying external variables. forEach is designed for these actions where you're doing something with each item but not creating a new collection. Filter has two key advantages. First, it never mutates the original array. You get a clean, new array, which makes your code more predictable and easier to debug. Second, filter is chainable. You can call map, reduce, or other array methods right after it, enabling elegant functional programming patterns. forEach can't do this because it returns undefined. Remember, use filter when you need a new array based on a condition. Use forEach only for side effects. Master this distinction and your JavaScript will be cleaner and more intentional. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.